Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are in North Texas, in beautiful, blessed Texas. We got Skylar today. We got 14,000 pounds of soil. This is a 20-80 combination, 20% compost, 80% soil. This got delivered to us a couple days ago. If you've been following this channel, you already can notice that we extended this garden. It got bigger. It used to be a little smaller. Let's go inside and show you the details that what we've been doing during the autumn and winter. As you see, the weather is a little gloomy, but we're almost done with this. Almost. Let's see. So we started raising the garden beds. As you see, these are the previous ones. So on top of it, we add like more wood. We raised them. There are tons of reasons. I'm gonna tell you why. So as you see, once we built the garden bed, we put cardboards and like paper from the cardboards. The reason is it's gonna prevent from weeds growing through your plants, through your whatever you're planting. Then we're gonna put a mesh. We're gonna put like chicken wire, or we call them mesh, whatever the case may be. The reason is when you're living in a big land, most of the times they're gonna be gophers coming through your land, and we had that problem last year, so we want to prevent that. Once you put the mesh or like chicken wire on top of this cardboard, and this cardboard is gonna turn to a nice compost, this is gonna prevent it. So once we put the soil on top of it, you're gonna see that it's gonna prevent from the gophers or any animals from down there destroying our beautiful plants. We upgraded this beautiful entrance a little bit more. We got mints. I love mints. Got mints on both sides. It's kind of tiny, but it's interesting. We're just going little by little. We upgraded this part. This is a greenhouse, unfinished greenhouse. So you see the side panels. This panel gonna go on top. Then once it gets cold during the autumn and winter, we're gonna put the garden the greenhouse plastic on the side. So let's see what we got here. We got sweet potatoes here, as you see, sweet potatoes. And my beautiful wife made these beautiful signs, like, look, this is onion. As you see, we're almost good with onions. She put all the onions in a row. They got dill. We got beet, yeah, and this is I can't read. Oh, it's a spinach. We got again another type of beet. Let's see, we got garlic, and there are like tons of other vegetables over here. See, they're all so beautiful. Here you go. So adorable. See, the onions are already coming out. On this side, we planted a flower for hummingbird. Great. I was having a brain fog for hummingbirds, so hummingbirds can come in, make our gardens even more beautiful. We got a nectarine tree. We got another garden bed. I'm not sure what you planted here. I don't remember. We got another garden bed. We got strawberries here, again, garlics. The other garden bed that we're gonna go through, the berry garden bed. So we got a blackberry, we got the red berry. I don't think we have a strawberry. I think she put garlic as well over here. I'm not sure what you planted over here, but again, you're still gonna see some cardboards over there, which is fine. We got a pear tree, another garden bed. See, now you're gonna see the mesh, which is, again, it's not a big deal. You still can put more soil in it. Bring it up. We got a green apple tree. Another garden bed. These are all new. We upgraded a lot. See, cardboard, mesh, then more cardboard. We're gonna raise it on the sides as well. Then these beautiful things, we're gonna probably plant grapes, so it's gonna go all over it. Then, yep. Oh, let me see. I hope this is gonna show in a camera. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, look at this. Look at this beautiful flower. This is a peach tree, and I noticed this like a couple days ago, and I was so excited. Oh, there's another one. Another one. Beautiful. And now let me show you our apple tree that it's been blossoming. As you see, Wolfie and Skylar are here too. And we make sure we have a door because I don't want them to come in. See, Wolfie is. Then let's go check the apple tree. It's been a little windy recently. I hope the flowers are still there. Yep, they're still here. Beautiful. Check it out. So this is the tree's 3rd year, and we're hoping to get a lot of apples from this beauty. And when we get the apples, I'm gonna make another video from the apples from the trees. Thank you so much for guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, probably once or twice a month I'm gonna give you an upgrade about our garden and about our farming updates. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, blessed day.